The biggest benefit of having my 2 procedures done is that I'm an avid motorcycle rider. I was unable to ride on my motorcycle anymore. The pain was just unbearable. And after having these procedures done, I am riding all the time, every weekend. I put a couple 100 miles on last weekend and I feel great. Dr. Bonenberger is, he's just a very kind person. He's just a great doctor. I have 0 pain in my hips now. Hi, my name is Bob Mason. I had both my hips replaced by Dr. Bonenberger. The first one was done in January, and the second one was done in June of this year. And I got to tell you, I feel great. I wish I had done it sooner. The problems that I had with my hips started about 10 years ago. I thought it was actually my lower back. I had gone to a neurosurgeon to have my back checked out, and he told me it was definitely in my hips. It was bone on bone in both hips. And I went to Dr. Bonenberger to have it checked out, and the experience was just amazing. I mean, they immediately diagnosed, confirmed his diagnosis. The day before, or a couple of days before my procedure, I had to go get a COVID test. They didn't want it to be any sooner than, or any later than 48 hours before the procedure. So, and that was good. And then when I got there, of course, I had to wear a mask, and they had sterile, sterile stations and everything. Felt 100% safe. He is such a warm person. He's got a great personality, and it just made me feel very comfortable from the first time I met him, and I think that for me was why I chose him to do it. I would definitely recommend him to somebody, and I would use him again.